MaxLend Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my review of MaxLend, a financial service designed for individuals seeking quick, convenient loans. MaxLend is a tribal lender that provides installment loans ranging from $300 to $3,000, with repayment terms typically between 6 to 24 months. One of the standout features of MaxLend is its fast approval process. Applicants can receive funds as soon as the next business day, making it an attractive option for those facing unexpected expenses. The application is straightforward and can be completed online in just a few minutes, requiring minimal documentation. MaxLend is specifically designed for individuals who may not have access to traditional banking options or who need urgent cash flow solutions. This service caters to borrowers with less than perfect credit, making it an appealing alternative for those who might struggle to secure loans from conventional lenders. However, it's essential to note that while MaxLend is accessible, the interest rates can be considerably higher than traditional loans. Rates can range from 200% to 1,000% APR, depending on your state of residence and individual creditworthiness. Therefore, it's crucial for potential borrowers to carefully review their financial situation and ensure they can meet the repayment terms. Another feature worth mentioning is MaxLend's customer service. The company offers support through phone and email, which can be reassuring for borrowers who may have questions or concerns during the application process. Additionally, MaxLend provides resources and educational materials on its website, helping users make informed financial decisions. On the downside, some users have reported issues with the loan repayment process, including difficulties in making payments or unexpected fees. It's vital for borrowers to read the fine print and understand the terms of their loan fully before committing. Transparency is key, and any uncertainty can lead to potential pitfalls down the line. In conclusion, MaxLend is a viable option for those in need of quick financial assistance, especially if you have limited access to traditional lending avenues. However, be cautious about the high interest rates and ensure you fully understand the repayment terms. If you decide to move forward, prepare yourself for a straightforward application process, but do your homework to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you make an informed decision.